The centre would appoint in a day or two a judge to head the Judicial Commission of Inquiry into charges of spying on a woman in 2009 allegedly by the Gujarat government. Union Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde said that there were hurdles, but those have been dealt with. When asked about the whereabouts of Dawood, who is wanted in a number of cases by the Indian agencies including the 1993 Mumbai blasts, he said, according to information available with them, Dawood Ibrahim is in Pakistan and confirmed joint efforts with US to nab him.
At the moment, as per our information, he is in Pakistan. जब मैं अमेरिका गया था इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी के डिस्कशन करने के लिए, इनलैंड सिक्योरिटी के डिस्कशन के लिए, वहाँ के जो अटॉर्नी जनरल है उनसे मैंने बात की थी, जो FBI देखते हैं कि हमारे पास जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है हम पास करेंगे, आपके पास जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है आप पास करेंगे और इसे जल्द से जल्द पकड़ने का हमने प्रयास करना है दोनों ने, इस तरह की बातें और उनका असिस्टेंस मैंने मांगा.
On the Telangana issue, Sushil Shinde said that the Telangana bill will be presented in Parliament as soon as it receives it from the Andhra Pradesh Assembly. The Home Minister said the centre will ask all state governments to set up review or screening committees to assess cases of youths languishing in jails on terror charges without trial. He also said that he will suggest states to ensure that no innocent minority youth is wrongfully detained in the name of terror.
You see, we have already written to all the state chief ministers. You should be careful in arresting the youth of minority that I had said in my letters. Minority doesn't mean one particular community. We are again writing to all chief ministers that those who are not involved, they should be freed immediately.
On clashes in areas along the Assam-Nagaland border, the Home Minister said additional forces will be provided to the states if there is a requirement. The situation in northeast India is grim following clashes between Karbis and Rengma Nagas in Karbi Anglong district of Assam. Sudhakar Das's report, DD News.